Hi, this is your student training video for you to watch. So you are going to log into our website and click Student Login. Once you have done so, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to your grade level and pick the class that you enrolled in. Once you have done this, for this particular platform, you need to do a Run System Checkup. Once you have done so, it's going to check to see if your device works. And as you can tell, you have all green check marks, which is going to ensure that everything is going to work just fine. You're going to go ahead and fill out your username and your password. Once you get here, you are going to notice all the courses that you are enrolled in. You're going to see to the right announcements. Please be aware that this is a very important part to always have your eye on. Your teacher will give you important information about classroom procedures, syllabus, the class policy, rules, and a little bit about your teacher. So make sure you keep your eye on the announcements. The second most important, which is something to very much be aware of, is the messages. The messages is where you will be submitting your homework. Okay, so for example, you can go ahead and click Add New Messages. You are going to go ahead and click To Your Teacher. You are going to write your subject, and please know this goes and it gets emailed directly to your teacher. So we want you to make sure to write your first name, last name, and the title of your homework assignment. Some of you may not know what assignment you need to go ahead and submit. So if you click the class you're enrolled in and you find the assignment here. That doesn't mean you're done. You have to actually attach your homework assignment. So if you notice 1.1.4 is the assignment that you need to submit. So we're going to actually go back to Apex. And we're going to go ahead and look through the actual course. So we're going to actually go to World History. And once again, based on the homework assignment, you need to submit 1.1.4 journal, right? So as you are going through the homework and you find just different lessons, 1.1.4 is actually going to be the assignment that you are going to be submitting, but it's locked right now. And the reason why it's locked is because you have to get through all this content. But for the sake of, for this example, when you get to that journal entry, it's going to give you a worksheet that looks like this. Obviously, this is for a different checkup. This one isn't required clearly from what is being asked for as of a activity that is required. But let's just pretend this is 1.1.4 journal. Okay, you have options to print. So you can actually print this document and handwrite in it, and then you would scan it in and you can email it to yourself and then attach it to the message when you submit the homework. Or you can go ahead and save it as a PDF. If you save it as a PDF, you can actually handwrite in this particular form, and not so much handwrite, but type. If you click this icon, it's actually going to allow you to move this text to where you can actually complete the homework assignment. So for example, you need to define these words. So you would actually move this text box to the next page, and you would go ahead and add your assignment here. The definition of active reading strategies, okay, and let's just pretend you are done with this homework assignment. You're going to want to also give this the correct activity name, 1.1.4 journal. Let's just, like I said, we are pretending that that's what this is. So you're going to go ahead and put 1.1.4 journal and save. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pretend that we're ready to submit. You're going to click the paper clip you're going to find 1.1.4 journal, and then you're going to add that also to the title so your teacher knows what assignment you're submitting, and you are going to write a quick note of, hello, here is my homework assignment. And then you're going to click send. All right. Once you've clicked send, it's going to prompt your teacher to know that this is been done and complete, and then they'll be able to go ahead and give you a grade as well. Once again, you can always access your message sent, what's been submitted, deleted. You can keep on top of your homework this way. And if you were to go back to see what assignments you need to submit, once again, this is where you will go ahead and look and find that assignment. Okay, so let me go ahead and go back to my dashboard. There's also a calendar as well if you want to know different dates of when things are due, of what you need to do and get through in one day. All right, that's an important part to be able to manage your time as well. Other than that, once again, your dashboard holds your classes. You click any of them to be able to go through the content. You submit homework assignments here, and then please keep an eye out on your announcements. Other than that, you are ready to start class as soon as possible. Thank you so much for listening.